In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Word document as PDF in Microsoft Word. If you've ever needed to share a file without worrying about fonts shifting or formatting breaking, saving it as a PDF is the way to go. PDF files preserve the look of your document across different devices and operating systems, making them ideal for emailing, printing, or uploading. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word. When you're ready to create the PDF version, go to the top left corner of Word and click File. This opens the Backstage view where all your main file actions live. From there, choose Save As. Save As tells Word you want to create a separate copy rather than just updating the existing document. Next, click Browse. This brings up the File Explorer so you can decide exactly where the PDF should go. Pick a location that's easy to find later, such as your desktop or a dedicated project folder. Taking a moment to choose the right folder now saves time when you need the file quickly. In the same window, look for the option labeled Save as Type. You'll see a drop-down menu here. Click that drop-down and select PDF. This choice tells Word to export your document into the widely compatible PDF format while keeping the layout, images, and text exactly as you designed them. Once you've chosen PDF, click Save. Word will create the PDF and place it in the folder you selected. This usually happens quickly, even for longer documents. In many setups, Word may also show you a quick progress indicator. When it's done, your PDF is ready to share, upload, or archive. A helpful note here: saving as a PDF does not replace your original Word file. You'll still have your editable .docs document, and you'll also have a new .pdf version sitting alongside it in the location you chose. That way, you can keep editing the Word file in the future while distributing the PDF for viewing. If the interface looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. The key sequence remains the same. File, Save As, Browse, choose your folder, select PDF in the Save As Type dropdown, and then save. Keep an eye on where you're saving so you can find the file right away when you need it. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've created a polished, shareable PDF straight from Word.